Hi, I'm Karen Harrison. For over 30 years, I've been working with wonderful colleagues and teams to develop an instructional approach that we call self-regulated strategy development, or SRSD. I'm so excited to have this opportunity to share SRSD with you here and for you to learn how to use SRSD in your classroom, because we have 35 years worth of research showing that your students will become better, happier, more self-efficacious writers, and they will enjoy writing. They will find voice, they will find passion and motivation for writing, and they will produce text that they are proud of. Taking this course on SRSD is going to help you develop a wealth of genre knowledge, a wealth of knowledge about the characteristics of effective writing across genres, to teach writing strategies to your students that are powerful, that put them in charge of writing, that let them find their voice for writing, and let them produce text they are proud of. And it will put you in a much more powerful position as a writing teacher. Thank you for taking this class. Thank you for all that you do for your students. And thank you for improving writing instruction in our schools today.